Hi folks, Mike McCormick coming to you from Modern Muscle Cars in Central Florida. Today I'm out here to showcase this really awesome 1967 SS Camaro. And not only is it a full and complete Resto-Mod, it's supercharged as well, and man is it fun to drive. Let's have a look under the hood, show you what powers this beast. Under the hood we've got a supercharged LSA. This is a 6.2, it's a factory supercharged motor, and it puts out 580 horsepower. And as you can see, there's been a lot of man hours spent to give this the show car look. It's a very, very clean installation. All the cables, wires, and miscellaneous boxes have all been hidden. So when you open the hood, you see nothing but motor. That's the attention drawer to the car. And it's going to look great at any car show. Now we need a lot of stopping power to shut down this kind of horsepower. So we've got C6 Corvette brakes all the way around with 14-inch rotors on the front, 13.5 on the back, and they're drilled as well so that they dissipate the heat real well if you ever want to take it on the track. Now, if you check out the paint on this car, it's a very, very nice paint job, very high quality paint job. Shines like new, obviously. All of the glass is new, all the way around. The trim is all new, the moldings, everything on this car pretty much is new. Brand new top, brand new boot. It's ready for the Saturday night car show. Inside, we have some really nice touches to make this the true Resto-Mod that it really is. Dakota digital gauges, a really nice touch. Aftermarket stereo, that's a Pioneer with a 7-inch screen. It has a backup camera and navigation. And we've got Detroit speed, seven position wipers. Everything has been done to this car that should be done to make it a true Resto-Mod. Totally awesome car. Wow, that's impressive. Love this car. This car will get you a lot of looks wherever you go. Nobody knows what's under the hood unless you tell them. Drives really smooth. Going about 50 miles an hour and it's smooth as silk. Let's go have a look at the underside of this 1967 Camaro. So on the back here we have Quadrolink rear suspension. We have Detroit speed adjustable coilovers back here. The underside's been coated with Raptor coating for rust protection. There's a MagnaFlow 3-inch stainless steel exhaust all the way back. And up front here we have Detroit speed coilovers as well as Detroit speed upper and lower control arms. It's great workmanship underneath, as you can tell. Everything was done properly. This is going to be an awesome car to drive down the highway. So if you want to see this amazing Resto-Mod in person, come on down here to Modern Muscle Cars in Central Florida. We have 5,000 square foot inside, all air conditioned. Keep in mind, we can ship cars anywhere in the world.